Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It's Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Stargazer wallet application on your iOS device. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch/open your App Store from your app drawer and go to the search box at the top. Type in Stargazer wallet and search. Look for this application from Constellation Network and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the wallet. Stargazer crypto wallet application is developed by Constellation Network for storing and managing cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. It focuses on security, ease of use, and interconnectivity within the blockchain system. So, once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to quickly launch/open Stargazer wallet application on your iOS device. Allow necessary permission for the app and start creating a new wallet or restore your existing wallet from the main menu. That is how you should be able to download Stargazer wallet application on your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.